Find the height of cuboid whose area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So first of all, we don't know the height of the cuboid. Okay, so first we draw a cuboid shape, and they have given whose area. So for area of cuboid shape, so it will require how much space? This much space area. So L or B. Okay, I means base given. Okay, base area given. This is base. So base of cuboid 180 centimeter square. Okay, if we multiply this with height, we will get volume, because L into B into base कैसे मिल रहा? Base is equal to length into breadth into height. It is volume, and this together, length into breadth, that will form base multiplied by height is equal to volume. Volume they have given 900 centimeter cube. Height they have given nothing, so we suppose we need to find the height. Base means length and breadth already not given separately but together. It is 180 centimeter square. So first step to bring it to the other side of the equal to. Therefore height is equal to 900 centimeter into centimeter 3 times, and 180 divide हो जाएगा यहाँ multiply. So centimeter square means centimeter 2 times. So if we divide it, 0 0 get cancelled, 9 tens are and 9 twos are 18. Again we can cut it out, that is 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So 5 centimeter. So height is equal to 5 centimeter of this cuboid shape. Hope so. This is very important type of sum. Please try to do it. Now we proceed for the fourth question also. You are ready? A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. How many small cubes can be of side 66 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? I think you need to understand. Suppose this is a cuboid type of box. Okay? And in this box we want to fill small cube box also. जैसे कि बड़े बॉक्स में छोटे छोटे बॉक्स रखने हैं, ऐसे छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस भी आ जाने चाहिए बहुत सारे. And that boxes will be in cube shape. What shape? That shape of these boxes will be cube shape. So how many small boxes of cube shape can be placed in this? So number of small cubes we require. Okay, cube boxes. So for this we require volume of this big box, volume of cuboid, and if we divide it with volume of small cubes box, that is volume of cube, we will get number of boxes. Okay, so number of small cube box is equal to volume of big cuboid divided by volume of whatever we want to find, that will be in the denominator cube. Now we will write, both is given in centimeter. So 60 centimeter, breadth is 54 centimeter, and height is 30 centimeter. And here it is given 6 centimeter, means all sides equal. So 60 L into B into H होता है, L into B into H, and here L into L. Okay, that will be 60 into 54 into 30, and here it will 6 into 6 into 6, and centimeter cube, because all the 3 centimeter. So we get cancel. 6 1 ja 6 10 ja. Again it is possible by 6. 6 1 ja 6 9 ja 54. Again possible by 6 1 ja 6 5 ja 30. So if we multiply 10 into 9 into 5, we will get how much? 9 5 are 45, into 10 means 450 small cubes can be placed. Hope so. Fourth question answer is also clear to you all. We proceed for the next, that is fifth one.